Good morning dear students. Today we will discuss very important chapter, water a precious resource. In this chapter we will discuss very important topics like different form of water, water cycle, water management, change of state. The state of matter can be changed into two another's. For example, if we put some water in the freezer or in refrigerator, it change into ice. If we take few pieces of ice cubes from the refrigerator and put them into the boil, we will observe that the ice cubes we change into water. The water start evaporating slowly when we heat this water, and it is be changed into water vapors. Similarly, when the water vapor is cooled, it form water. So water on further cooling again turn into ice. Thus, the state of water are interchangeable by heating or cooling. Now, water is very precious for us. It is required for several purposes in our daily life. The presence of water on the earth make life possible. Around 70% of water, earth's surface is be covered with water. Major amount of water cannot be consumed by us. Some amount of water is only used by us because 97% water on the earth is salty. It is present in oceans and seas. Only 3% of water is cleaned out, or which 2% water is be frozen into form of ice caps in the glacier, polar regions and the mountain peaks. Only 1% water on the earth is available to us for use in the form of groundwater, lakes, tanks, rivers and streams. The place where we can obtain water are called source of water. There are different sources of water present on our area. A part of rain that seep into the ground through soil and get collected over non-porous rock is called groundwater. This water is extracted for use by the help of tube well and hand pumps. When the rain occurs, the cycle of process by which water circulate between earth, ocean, atmospheres and the land is called water cycle. These process involved in this water cycle are evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Water evaporate and goes to atmosphere to form a water vapors. This process is known as evaporation. The water vapors come closer to each other to form a cloud. After cloud, the water vapor is be condensed. This process is known as condensation. The rain is the form of precipitation. All the rainwater that fall on the land does not immediately flow back into the sea. It seep into the land and increase underground water. This whole process in which water evaporate and fall back on the land and water bodies is called water cycle. Thank you.